In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cookbook in Canva. First, open Canva. On the home page, use the search bar and type Cookbook or Recipe Book. You'll see a wide range of templates designed specifically for recipe collections. Browse through them and choose a layout that matches your style and the tone of your recipes, whether that's clean and minimal, rustic and cozy, or bold and modern. Pick one with enough page variety so you can easily adapt it for different types of recipes. Once your template opens, start customizing the visuals. Head to the Elements tab and search for frames. Drag a few frames onto your page to create neat spots for photos. Then drop your own food images into those frames. Frames help keep everything aligned and professional looking, and you can double-click to adjust the crop for the perfect focus on your dish. Next, update the text boxes for ingredients, instructions, and titles. Keep your font choices consistent throughout the book. Ideally, one font for headings and one for body text, and choose a color scheme that complements your food photos. Aim for high contrast between text and background so your recipes are easy to read. Clear section titles like ingredients and method. Make your layout more scannable, and adding short notes or tips beneath the steps can give readers helpful context without clutter. Now build out the structure of your cookbook. Add pages for a table of contents, a short introduction, and your recipe chapters. The table of contents helps readers navigate quickly, while the introduction sets the tone, share what inspired the collection or how the recipes are organized. For each chapter or category, duplicate a recipe page you are happy with so the layout stays consistent from one recipe to the next. Consistency creates a polished, cohesive feel across the entire book. Create a striking cover to pull everything together. Choose a high-quality photo of a dish that represents your cookbook's theme. Place it prominently and add a bold, readable title. Include your name as the author, and ensure the text stands out clearly against the background. Simple, strong typography and good contrast will make your cover look professional. When you are finished, it's time to export. Click Download and choose PDF print for the best quality. This option preserves crisp text and sharp images, making your cookbook ready for sharing or printing. That's it. Thanks for watching.